Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin camper along with Zena the Glamper camper. We are camping at the White Tank Mountains near Waddell, Arizona, and we are just hammocking it up. But we're gonna jump into the camper and make some caramel apple dip. Doesn't that sound good? Now for this dip, it's super easy. We just gotta mix some stuff together. We've got some caramel dip that you find by the apples, and some apple butter, cinnamon, allspice, ground nutmeg, vanilla extract, and lemon juice. Now for the apple part of our caramel apple dip, we have some finely diced Granny Smith apple, some peanuts, and some milk chocolate chips. That looks pretty tasty if you ask me. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Now, if you liked this recipe, definitely try it out. It's gonna be delicious with some pretzels or maybe some more apple slices. But yeah, get out and enjoy nature as much as we do, and have a great one.